It has been a very hot day today. No two ways around that. A very humid day. Heat index values have been up over 100. Well, days to take it easy. Now we're waiting for thunderstorm development, and it's beginning. So on the Max Track Live Doppler, okay, nothing going on here. You can see it behind my back, but let's bring it a little closer here. We finally got the first thunderstorm to start going up. Now you got to go to north of Evansville to find it, but that's the beginning, and you can actually take that from the storm there in southern Illinois over that storm, continue it northeast. You'd eventually hit a line that's up toward northeast Ohio, but there's a lot of real estate in between those. But again, that's the beginning. It wasn't there 15 minutes ago. Stay weather aware this evening as we do expect to see thunderstorm development. Some of those could be strong, potentially severe. The Muggies are going to take a brief break tomorrow. Enjoy it. It's still going to be hot, just not as humid. And by the way, there is some real heat coming, not this little low 90s stuff. We're talking upper 90s pushing 100 over the course of the weekend. So here is that slight risk of severe storms. We're beginning to see the development now out here to the west. This from the Storm Prediction Center. So that slight risk of severe storms, which translates to the damaging wind gust potential. 15% chance, 25 miles of any given point that you could indeed see a damaging wind gust occur through the course of this evening from thunderstorms that now are just beginning out here in southwest Indiana. By the time we get you at 8 o'clock, now they're becoming more numerous along the Ohio River. 9 and 10 o'clock, we'll begin to see that line congeal, and this is really the greatest threat for the stronger thunderstorms when the line really hasn't completely come together yet. But then in the hours 11 to 12 o'clock, now you're seeing that line really looking pretty formidable, but it's been going into less stable air. And so when that happens, we should begin to see those storms diminish some in intensity as the cold front finally comes on through. Now, we're looking at storm energy here. So the reds indicate that if anything's going, it can be in the strong category. That's the fuel. That's the food that's available to these storms. By the time we get you to 9 o'clock, again, you're seeing how everything's beginning to shift more to the southeast. But by the time we get north and west of Frankfort, even by 10 o'clock, the threat for severe storms should be pretty much over at that point. By the time we get you to midnight, now you can see how that's pressed into southeast Kentucky, but the reds are gone. So now you're looking at strong storms, likely not severe at that point, and we'll continue to see improvement then through the balance of the night. Lightning will be another calling card from these storms as well. Could be some vivid lightning displays. So again, some folks may be awakened by the rumbles of thunder in the hours after midnight. Heat advisories continue for the next few hours along the Ohio River, and then from I-65 to the west, it actually becomes a heat warning. Now, we will see that ease some tomorrow as high temperatures are down to about 90, but then it's mid-90s on Friday, upper 90s Saturday and Sunday. Plenty of humidity to go along with it. 91 right now at the Bluegrass Airport. Heat index of 102. That dew point of 75. We have gone past the Muggies into the ridiculous category. It is the point where we really do need to take it easy. You see these dew point numbers. Look at Campbellsville at 80, Winchester 78, Cynthiana 79. That's just, it's hard to breathe at that point. And when you look at these numbers on the dew point, that means the heat index values are also well over 100 for tonight. All right, we got the storms coming through evening into the hours after midnight. Could be a strong storm in there, eventually down around 70. Tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny, hot, but not as humid. 90 again for the high, mid-90s on Friday, upper 90s Saturday and Sunday. We do get cooling rains coming in here next week.